Why is it that in the exact same economy, one person can make millions while another loses everything? We are taught that the difference is intelligence, or luck, or hard work. But neuroscience shows us something different. The difference isn't in what they do, it is in what they see. At the base of your brain stem, there is a bundle of nerves called the reticular activating system, or RAS. This is the gatekeeper of your reality. Right now, your senses are receiving 2 million bits of data per second. So, the RAS acts like a bouncer at a nightclub. It blocks 99.9% of reality and only lets in what it thinks is important. But here is the catch. Who tells the bouncer what is important? You do. And most of you have given the bouncer a terrible guest list. Scientists call this the cocktail party effect. This is where the poverty mindset becomes biological. If you constantly worry about debt, or say, I can't afford that, you are programming your RAS. You are typing a search query into your brain. Show me proof that I am poor. And your RAS obliges. It will literally blind you to opportunities. A business idea could be staring you in the face, but your RAS is filtering for scarcity. This creates a feedback loop. You believe money is hard to make, your RAS shows you struggling people. You take no action. You stay broke. Let's look at the evidence. Before Jim Carrey was famous, he was broke and depressed. Every night he would drive up to Mulholland Drive, sit in his car, and visualize directors telling him, I love your work. He wrote himself a check for $10 million and dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before that date, he made exactly that amount for Dumb and Dumber. Harvard researchers proved this with the piano study. One group practiced piano physically. The other group just thought about practicing. Both groups had the same structural changes in their motor cortex. Your brain cannot tell the difference between vivid visualization and reality. So, how do we hack the machine? We need to update your RAS guest list. Here is the 3-step protocol used by the wealthy. Step 1, the morning command. Do not touch your phone. Your brain is in a theta wave state, highly programmable. Write down exactly what you are looking for today. Not I want to be rich. Be specific. Give the bouncer a name to look for. Step 2, emotional visualization. You can't just think it. You must feel it. Emotion is the chemical glue that makes a memory stick. Step 3, the evidence log. At night, write down one piece of evidence that your new reality is forming. You have been operating on autopilot for years. It will take time to turn the ship around, but it starts with the next 24 hours. I challenge you to a zero negativity day. Every time you catch yourself saying, I can't, stop. Rephrase it to, how can I? Force your RAS to switch from problem mode to solution mode. You will be shocked at how the world changes when you change your filter.